Yeah, another exclusive. It's that piff for your mind. Study, get your mind right. Straight like little that. Homie, I see you, little mama. Straight up, the doctor's in. It's that penicillin. Hey, yo. My eyes all red, my head filled with blunt smoke. I'm out here struggling, and I still can feel hope. My job not ready, paycheck not steady. I used to sell drugs, just me and my man Hetty. Now I'm out here flipping these raps to enlighten the youth. Life is more than selling crack on the project stoop. I came from nothing, but I always kept my roots. Don't floss on them, show them how to stack they loot. Intelligent minds, we think alike. Utilize my gift, music make people unite. Spirits uplift, seeking the sun's light. The kids love it, my universal sound. Hey yo, I do it for the public, deep discovery shit. All my fans wanna cuddle with this. Protect our family from the police sticks. Pancakes, grits in the morning at 6. Hot boys running up in the bricks. Welfare mixtape, yeah, fade man, down my new kicks. I eat the beats up, man, pass me a toothpick. Yo, we never gonna stop getting this paper. As long as we black, you can count on that. And if you from the projects, yo, we got your back.
Best believe, true indeed, that's an actual fact.
Hey, yo, we never gonna stop getting this paper. As long as we black, you can count on that. And if you from the projects, yo, we got your back.
Best believe, son. Hey, yo, it's actual fact.